In 2025, its STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math category has undergone a significant transformation. Canada's express entry immigration system continues to evolve. With 19 occupations removed and 6 new ones added, the list of eligible occupations now looks very different. These changes will impact thousands of skilled professionals, some who no longer qualify and others who have just become eligible for permanent residency under this category. For many foreign nationals, qualifying under a category-based draw could be the deciding factor between achieving Canadian PR. Here is what you need to know about the updated STEM category, the specific occupations that are now eligible, and how this fits into the broader express entry system. Category-based draws. To complement this, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) launched category-based draws in 2023 to target individuals with in-demand skills. One of the most important of these categories is STEM, due to Canada's ongoing demand for innovation and technical expertise. Updated STEM occupation list in 2025. As of February 2025, the STEM category has been narrowed down to 11 occupations. This is a sharp reduction from its previous breadth and suggests a more targeted approach to addressing Canada's most pressing labor market needs. Here are the eligible occupations under the new STEM category, along with their National Occupation Classification (NOC) codes. Newly added occupations are bolded. Interestingly, the inclusion of insurance agents and brokers under the STEM category has raised some eyebrows. While it may seem unconventional, their addition reflects a broader interpretation of analytical and technical roles that align with data-driven industries, such as actuarial science and financial modeling. Step to determine your eligibility. If you want to know whether your work experience qualifies under this updated STEM category, follow these steps. Step 1. Identify your NOC code. Visit Canada's official NOC website and search for your job title or duties using the Filter Items tool. Look through the descriptions and take note of the NOC codes that match your experience. Step 2. Cross-reference duties. Review the job description for each NOC code on the Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC) site. You must have completed a substantial number of the main duties listed to be eligible. Step 3. Check category eligibility. Confirm that your NOC code appears in the new STEM occupation list. Also, ensure you meet the general express entry criteria, including 6 months of full-time, continuous work experience in the past 3 years in a listed occupation in Canada or abroad. Eligibility under one of the 3 express entry programs FSWP, CEC, or FSTP. If your occupation is listed and you meet these criteria, you could be eligible for a STEM-specific draw, which may significantly boost your chances of receiving an invitation to apply for PR. New occupations of the STEM with job titles. Let's look at the occupations that were added to the STEM category in February 2025. What is Express Entry? Express Entry is Canada's immigration system for skilled workers. It manages applications for 3 federal economic immigration programs. Federal Skilled Worker Program (FSWP), Canadian Experience Class (CEC), Federal Skilled Trades Program (FSTP). Candidates are ranked using the Comprehensive Ranking System (CRS), which assigns points for factors like age, education, work experience, and language proficiency. Higher-ranking candidates receive invitations to apply (EGAs) for permanent residency in periodic draws. Why STEM category-based draws matter? The advantage of qualifying for a category-based draw is simple: lower CRS score thresholds and a more focused selection process. In 2024, for instance, general draw CRS cutoffs ranged from 524 to 549. CEC draws ranged from 507 to 547. STEM-specific draws went as low as 491. This means that even if your CRS score isn't in the top range, being eligible under an in-demand STEM occupation can still get you across the finish line. As Canada continues to prioritize technology, engineering, STEM professionals remain in high demand. Conclusion. If you believe your experience aligns with one of the updated STEM occupations, it is worth reviewing your Express Entry profile or starting a new application. Keep your documentation up to date, especially your reference letters, job duties, and proof of work experience, as these will be closely scrutinized. Moreover, because Express Entry is points-based and competitive, you can still work to improve your CRS score by taking steps like retaking your language tests for a higher score, earning additional educational credentials, gaining more Canadian work experience, obtaining a provincial nomination. With IRCC adjusting category priorities each year, staying informed and adaptable is key. If you are a civil engineer, cybersecurity specialist, or one of the newly eligible insurance brokers, the STEM category could be your ticket to a new life in Canada.